Hey guys, today let's talk about division. So the equation here is 13 divided by 5 equal to 2, and there's 3 remain. So in these equations, 13 is dividend, 5 is divisor, 2 is quotient, and 3 is remainder. So let's see how we can make some examples for these equations. For example, I have 13 apples, and I want to put those apples to box. So each container, the capacity is 5, means it can only hold 5 apples in one container. So how many containers I will have? Let's start the equations. Is 13 divided by 5, then it will equal to 2, means we only can fit 2 containers, and there is 3 apples left. So first question is how many containers are full? So here I can use a function called quotient. And the sentence of quotients, first one is numerator. So for numerator, it represents the dividend. And the second one is denominators. It represents divisor. And first, I will type our numerators, which is dividend 13. Then denominator is 5. So that will give us the answers is 2, means 2 containers are full. Okay. So here's the formula for quotient. Next question is how many apples are left outside the container? And here I can use the function called mod. The sentence for mod, the first one is number. Numbers also is dividend. So put 13, then divisor is 5. And that means the remains for 13 divided by 5 is 3. And I'll put the formula here. And the third question is how many apples totally in containers? In these questions, you can simply use, because you know we have 2 boxes of containers full, and each box can only have 5 apples. You can use that idea is like 2 times 5 equal to 10. But here's another functions called flow math. The syntax. First one is number. The number represents dividend. You can put 13, and the second one signifies, means divisor. And you can get the close round down number, which is 10. The last question is what is the maximum total numbers of apples if we want to fill to all containers and have no apple left? So here's another functions opposite to flow. It's called setting. And the sentence is also first one is number, means dividends 13, and the second one is devices. It's 5. It will give you the closest numbers which is being run up, and it's 15. In here, I list those 4 functions linked to the Apple and the capabilities. So let's see if we have 20 apples, and we can for containers and role reminders, and while use the for function is 20, and ceiling function we can get 20 as well. How about if we put 21, and you can see the flow is 20 and the ceiling is 25. Hope you guys enjoy the tips today to learn more about like floor functions and ceilings, and also quotients and NOD functions. So if you like these videos, just subscribe and hit the like button, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.